In this video, I'll show you how to send money from N26 to your PayPal account. So to get started, head over into your N26 app, click on that send money button, and in here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen to be able to add a new recipient for sending money on your N26 account. So simply click on that top right corner of your screen, and you'll be able to find this. And here, go ahead and click on bank transfer, and in this section you just need to provide your name and your IBAN account number on PayPal. So you just need to enter that into the section before you hit on that continue button and proceed on entering the amount of money that you want to send into your PayPal account. So make sure that you get your IBAN account number on your PayPal account before you can actually proceed on transferring money from your N26 account into your PayPal account. That is how you can simply send money from N26 to PayPal. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.